Did you know that for a few years, mirrors moved information faster than any wire on Earth? It was called the heliograph. A simple device, a mirror angled just right, catching sunlight and throwing it across mountain ranges in coded flashes. No cables, no power lines, just glass and sky. And for a moment, someone imagined what it could become. Picture every rooftop carrying a mirror, every ridgeline lit up like a pulse. The whole landscape alive, breathing messages at the speed of light itself. A civilization wired together not by copper but by sunshine. It almost made sense. The signals were instant. The technology was simple. The ambition was enormous. But the sky had other plans. One cloud, one storm rolling in off the desert, and the entire network goes silent. Every connection, every message, every thread of light just gone. That was the fatal flaw written into the dream from the very beginning. They built a world that could speak at the speed of light, and it could be erased by a single gray afternoon.